Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your mid-June love reading. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano ba ang magiging takbuhan ng inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, yes, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre po, yes, kung may tanong, yan, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, Capricorn, anong situation ninyo? Let's see. Situation ng mga Capricorn. The Seven of Wands, Universe. Meron ditong parang hinahayaan na lang. Okay? The Moon in reversed. Okay. So, I think meron ditong ginugusto na parang maging open pero hindi ifo-force. Okay, like bahala ka kung gusto mong mag-open, bahala ka kung anong meron. Parang ganyan eh. Nandun yung sabihin nating walang control. Okay? Walang force na nangyayari sa situation. Okay? Pero, habang tumatagal, parang meron ditong nanlalamig. Okay? The Moon in reverse, meron ditong nalulungkot. The Seven of Wands in reverse, dahil sabihin natin pwedeng parang hindi na nararamdaman, no? Yung effort, yung action, parang ganon. Okay? Parang hindi sila sanay na may na walang action, hindi sanay na may na walang control, parang ganyan. Pagdating sa sitwasyon, okay, like hindi ako sanay, bakit ganto? Parang ganon. Okay. Kasi parang merong napapabayaan talaga. No, in short, may napapabayaan na. Pwedeng yun yung nararamdaman. Okay? Pwedeng yun yung nararamdaman. Parang meron na napapabayaan. Okay. So, ano bang meron sa person mo, Capricorn? The Page of Swords, some of them, they always want na magkaroon ng conversation with you. They want conversation. They want communication with you. Some of them, they are younger. Okay? Lagi ka nitong hinahanap. The Hermit in reversed. Lagi ka nitong hinahanap, Capricorn. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Hinahanap ka ng hinahanap nito. Okay. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Chariot in reverse. Some of them, meron itong parang lagi na lang hinahanap, tinitingnan. Parang lagi na lang may kulang. Yun siya. Parang lagi siyang may hinahanap sa'yo. Okay? Hindi na nito maramdaman, or maybe you, yung kakontentuhan. No? Sabihin natin, pwedeng mga simpleng bagay lang ang hinahanap eh. Pero bakit parang wala pa rin? As simple as communication. Pwedeng itong taong to, hinahanap nito yung connection or communication with you, pero bakit parang hindi mahanap? Hindi maibigay. Malungkot tong taong to. Capricorn. I don't know, some of you pwedeng nakukulangan na sa oras pagdating sa kanya. Yeah. What's their next action? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reversed. They will mirror you. They will. Okay? Kung hindi ka ganun ka open sa komunikasyon, ganun rin ang gagawin niya. Lalagyan niya ng delay. Okay? Lalagyan niya ng delay. The Page of Pentacles in reverse, that's specific pagdating sa komunikasyon. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Why? See? The Eight of Chalices. Lalayo rin siya lalayo rin siya. Okay? The Sun in reverse, so maybe wala nang clear sa kanya. Okay? Ang lungkot naman ito, Capricorn. Ang lungkot ng taong to. Kung hindi nito mahanap sa'yo yung kailangan niya, aalisan ka nito. Kailangan or yung mga sabihin nating hinahanap niya, aalis to. Lalayo. Okay, so let's see. Anong magiging takbuhan nito, Capricorn? Lumalayo na yung loob or lalayo yung loob niya. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Ay, nandun yung kakailanganin nyo pa rin yung isa't isa. Lalong mag-grow. Okay? Yung pangangailangan sa isa't isa, the Nine of Pentacles, yeah. See, the Magician. Lalong mag-grow. Nako po. Parang may magtatago, parang someone will not, person na, parang hindi na ako magiging available, parang ganun. Pero sa dahilang mga ganyan, andun yung lalong mag-grow no? Yung emosyon, yan. Okay, ganun yung person. The Nine of Pentacles, the Magician, lalong hahanap-hanapin. Lalo nyong hahanap-hanapin or maybe itong taong to, lalo kang hahanap-hanapin. Kung siya lalayo, ewan ko kung kaya niya. Kasi magiging takbuhan nito, kakailanganin yung isa't isa. Okay? Mangangailangan sa isa't isa. Okay. So, let's see. Anong outcome? / advice for Capricorns. The Seven of Chalices. And the Three of Pentacles in reversed. Set aside nyo muna, no? Kung medyo busy kayo, magkaroon kayo ng like pagmamanage ng oras, parang ganyan, para hindi magkaroon ng parang tawag dyan, kakulangan. Okay? Oo. Nagagawa mo nga yung mga bagay sa ganito, sa ganyan, sa trabaho mo, kung ano man. Pero pagdating sa kanya, hinahanapan ka. So, meaning, hindi sapat. Okay? May mga tao talaga na hindi nyo maririnig mag-demand. Okay? Pero, makikita nyo sa action na may parang kulang. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Kung hindi nyo gagawa ng action to, masisira to. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng drama. Yes. Alam nyo, itong taong to talaga, you're their wish fulfillment. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Masaya sa'yo itong taong to. Yun ang mahalaga sa kanya. Masaya siya sa'yo. Pero, nakukulangan siya. I don't know kung oras ba, kung ano man ang hinahanap to sa'yo. Meron siyang hinahanap Okay? And, ikaw yung nagkukulang dito, Capricorn. Opo. So, alam ko may magre-resonate dito dahil hindi ka naman ito makukuha ng wala lang. Okay? So, kung hindi mo to story, hindi mo to energy, maybe next time, makuha na natin yung energy mo. Okay? So, pero, yeah, kung may nangyaring ganyan ngayon sa'yo, or kung may mangyaring ganyan man, alam mo na kung anong gagawin. 'Di ba? Mag-manage ng oras, maging balance. Opo. Okay? Kasi masisira to. Opo, masisira, mabubuwag. Okay? So, there. Okay. Sinisi ang Capricorn sa reading na to. Oo, parang ngayon lang ba nangyari to, Capricorn? Ngayon lang ba? Oo. I don't know. Sino naka-resonate? Taas kamay. Taas paa. Ah, diba? Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. They're waiting. They're thinking of you a lot. Taurus, they want commitments. They want to have a happy family, a long-term relationship with you. Gemini, they're avoiding you. Or you need to avoid that Gemini. Cancer, they have emotions for you, actually. Leo, so meron ditong kailangang i-heal. There's a repeat na merong nangyayari. Virgo, there's like a one-sided connection with this Virgo. Libra, they're walking away, distancing themselves. Scorpio, they want to establish like good connection with you. Okay? They want to fix things with you. Yeah. Sagittarius, a short-term connection, pwedeng may mangyaring ganyan. There is unstable connection with the Sagittarius. So, some of you, merong separation na pwedeng mangyari. Okay. So, Capricorn, ayaw nila ng toxic. Okay. Aquarius, so gusto nila ng attention. Some of them, they're being selfish. Okay? Pisces, so there's no effort, no focus pagdating sa kanila. Okay, so there, yun po ang ating reading for Capricorn placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.